Determining the nutritional values of foods involves a combination of laboratory analysis, food composition databases, and nutritional labeling regulations. Here are the general steps to determine the nutritional values of foods. Laboratory analysis. The most accurate method for determining the nutritional composition of a food is through laboratory analysis. This involves breaking down the food into its various components and analyzing them for their nutritional content. Laboratory techniques such as proximate analysis, spectrophotometry, chromatography, and calorimetry are used to measure macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and other components like fiber and water content. Food composition databases. Several organizations maintain comprehensive food composition databases that provide information on the nutritional composition of various foods. These databases contain average values obtained from laboratory analysis of different food samples. Examples include the USDA National Nutrient Database for Standard Reference, the British Food Composition Database, and the Canadian Nutrient File. These databases serve as references for determining the nutritional values of foods without conducting laboratory analysis for each individual item. Nutritional labeling regulations. Many countries have regulations that require food manufacturers to provide nutritional information on their product labels. This includes information such as serving size, calories, macronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and sometimes additional information like cholesterol or sodium content. These labels are usually based on laboratory analysis and are required to be accurate and standardized according to the specific regulations of each country. Calculation and estimation. In some cases, when laboratory analysis or food composition databases are not available, nutritional values can be estimated using calculations. For example, if you know the individual nutrient values of the ingredients used in a recipe, you can calculate the overall nutritional content of the prepared dish by summing up the values for each ingredient. It's important to note that while these methods provide a good estimation of the nutritional values, there can still be variations due to factors like variations in agricultural practices, food processing methods, and natural variations in food composition.